Welcome to another session here with us at Mathematics Resource Center, and today we'll be doing the topic expanding brackets. Let's go. So if you look on our board, you realize we have examples and your turn, which means I'll be doing the examples and you'll be doing the your turn. Alright, so we'll go with the first example, and it says 2 open bracket x plus 3 close bracket. So when we say expanding brackets, what we actually mean is that we are removing those brackets. No bracket will be left when we write our final answer. So our aim is to remove those brackets. And these brackets here tells us that we're going to use the number on the outside, which is our 2, to multiply each term on the inside. Alright? So let's give an example. Say for instance the 2 was me, the teacher, and there were xn plus and xn3 in the classroom, and I come in the classroom and I say good morning. When I say good morning, am I talking to the x alone? No. Am I talking to the 3 alone? No. I'm actually talking to the x and the 3. So that means that at all times when you expand brackets, you must ensure that you multiply the term that is on the outside by each term on the inside. So let's do the first example. So we have 2, and we're going to multiply the 2 times x, and that gives us 2x. Good? And then we're going to say 2 times 3, and that gives us positive 6. Good? And that is our answer. Right there. Good? Now you go ahead and do your turn. Alright? Remember, you can pause the video, complete the question, and then come back to the video. So I'm going to continue. So we're going to go with number 2. And number 2 is negative 3, open bracket, y plus 4, close bracket. And remember that the bracket tells us that we're going to multiply whatever is outside the bracket by each of the term inside the bracket. So we're going to go with our negative 3. So it's going to be negative 3 times y, and that gives us negative 3y. Yes, because a negative times a positive gives us a negative. We're going to go with the next one, and it's negative 3 times positive 4. Ooh, is that positive 12 or negative 12? It's negative 12, because a negative times a positive gives us a negative. So that's negative 12, and that's my answer. Good? So now you go ahead and do your turn. Alright, and remember, you can pause that video, complete your turn, and then come back to the video. Alright, or you can wait until the end, do all your turn, and then you can check the link in the description below for the solutions. Let's continue. So we have x, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to say x times x. And x times x is x squared. Alright, and then we're going to say x times 2, and that is 2x. So our answer is x squared plus 2x. And if you're not so sure about x times x being x squared, let's do a little practice. So x times x is x squared. What is y times y? Oh, y squared. What is m times m? M squared. What is a times a squared. What is alpha times alpha? Alpha squared. What is maths times maths? Maths squared. Alright? So that's it. So let's get back to number 4 now. In number 4, we have y times x, which gives me yx, or if you put xy, just the same, because 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 3 is also 6. So y times x is yx, or y times x is xy, same thing. Alright, and we'll go with the next one, y times negative y. Ooh, that is going to be negative y squared, because a positive times a negative give me a negative. And then we're at the final question. there, and it says 3x, open bracket, 2x plus 4, close bracket. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to say 3x times 2x. So that is 3 times 2, which gives me 6, x times x, which gives me x squared. Nice. And then we're going to go with the next part, and that is going to be 3x times 4. So 3x times 4 is going to be 3 times 4, which gives me 12, and we add our x there. So it's 3x times 4, 12x. Good job. So that's a tick. So now you're going to go ahead and complete all the year term questions if you haven't done so as yet. And remember to click the link below in the description, and it will bring you to the answers to all the year term. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share. See you